little bit of extra stuff done. Go ahead and show you what I got since the last time we talked. Went ahead, got all that soundproofing material out of the floor. Got the dash out. I got the fan box out. All I got left is the heater control box right there. And there's the dash in all her glory. Now I gotta get this wonderful rat's nest of wiring harness pulled out so I can get it all hooked back up in there. I'm gonna finish getting this out. It's about midnight. I'm tired. Got a few more things done. I'll walk around and show you. And then we're gonna start getting this motor stuck around, turned around and stuck together enough to crank it, make sure it runs. Then we're gonna drop the other motor in. So I got everything out, got my chain hoist ready. I gotta get it lifted back up on jack stands, get the old axles out because they're busted. But our dash is out. I stuck our bar back in the center so I could mount the steering wheel or the steering column back to it so I could move it around if I had to. And there's the rest of the other harness. There's a piece of it there. And there's another piece of it over here. We gotta test that transmission and that motor so I can make a few dollars if need be. And then that motor's going in with that transmission after I dissect it and make sure what's wrong with it. So without further ado, I'm gonna set you up so you can see. Fuel, fire, oh, one more time. Let me make it run on all cylinders. Fuel, fire, oh, beautiful. All right, attempt number one. Cranking the motor over, everything's hooked up, ready to go. I'm gonna hit it with some fuel. Key, and go. ran into quite a bit, a little hiccup. This is 2005. Well, we didn't have the right computer. Let me backtrack. We didn't have the key for this car. So we had to get another computer, an immobilizer, with a key. So we did that. I tested everything out, made sure we were good, got it to run. I still don't have it running right. So after doing some looking and checking and figuring out, I had to go get the harness out of the other car and transplant the entire harness to match this computer, because the computer's out of a 2002. This is a 2005, and none of the electronics are even similar. The wires are in different holes, and needless to say, I gotta rewire the inside with the computer. So with that said, I'm not gonna move you around a whole lot, but I'm gonna set it up on a time lapse. You'll be able to see. All right, my man. I think after I get the right throttle body and then the TPS rewired, that rest of that'll clear itself up. I don't know if Skylar's going to mention this or not, but I still have the base model intake on here because I don't have the right throttle body to mount up to the Type S intake. So I'm just using what I got right now to make sure we're running right, everything's where it's supposed to be, and then I'll swap it out and put the other one on. Got it running, runs right. I'm ready to put the radiator and stuff in it and get the roll cage stuck in it. So the next one's gonna be us putting the roll cage in. Not bad for a month. I picked it up October 2nd, and here we are November 2nd. I'm ready for the cage. So thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.